Hi, welcome to Digital Urim. In the previous video, I explained what cybersecurity is and why it matters today. Now we're going to cover something just as important, what cybersecurity is not, because this is where most beginners get confused. Today we will break common myths. And I promise you this, if you understand this, you will learn faster with less frustration. First, cybersecurity is not hacking accounts. That's what movies show, but it's not real life. Real cybersecurity is prevention, detection, and response. It's stopping attacks from working, and if something happens, knowing how to understand it and stop it. If your goal is to hack, you're starting in the wrong direction. The correct goal is to protect. And to protect, you need to understand systems, networks, and risk. Second myth, cybersecurity is not copying and pasting commands. Copying a command without understanding it is like taking medicine without knowing what it does. In this course, we won't memorize. We will understand what a command does, what it changes, what risks it creates, and when to use it. Because in security, a small mistake can create a big problem. And many incidents happen because of simple things, a bad configuration, one click, or one wrong decision. Third myth, cybersecurity is not installing antivirus and calling it done. Antivirus is one layer, not a complete solution. It can help, yes, but it won't stop you from giving your password to a phishing page. It won't stop weak passwords like 123456. It won't stop you from ignoring critical updates. Tools matter, but tools don't think for you. And here is the most important line in this video. Tools don't think. People do. Real cybersecurity is understanding what you are protecting, identifying risks, and making good decisions using good practices. That's why this course has an order. First, fundamentals, then operating systems, then networks, then threats, and only after that, tools. If you follow the correct order, you will make progress with clarity, no confusion, no hype. And that's it. Today you learned what cybersecurity is not. It's not hacking accounts, it's not copying commands, and it's not relying on antivirus like it's magic. In the next video, we'll talk about how to think like a security-minded person, and you will start seeing the digital world differently. Thanks for watching. Understand. Defend. Bro. I'll see you in the next one.